Right, you all know this is going to be the best time for us. Ladies and gentlemen, to Ronit Roy! Indian ghost. ये भी television, films, direction, everything. Ladies and gentlemen, he is a man who has 20 years has been looking the same. Look at that cutting edge joy. Ladies and gentlemen, Rohit Roy! Come on, Roy. How you doing, man? You know, you are training very hard. I can see those breathing muscles. I can see those straight packs. I mean, you're looking like a Greek god yourself. So are you hitting the gym like 2 times a day? You're always well behaved, man. She says behind your back, you're the enemy of goodness. Alright, listen. It's the Matrix Fight Night. Big fighters, it's a real fight. People get knocked off, it's tough, it hurts. What do you have to say about this whole concept of Matrix Fight Night? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to see his glares, that yellow glares, the stunt machine. Ladies and gentlemen, Rohit Roy! Another guy who's got a lovely bottle in his hand with a bottle of water. Samir Soni, please come here, my friend. Always a good-looking man. Ladies and gentlemen, the special good look is Samir Soni.
Thank you so much.
Hi. Thank you so much, thank you. बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है, खासकर क्योंकि you know it's a big day for me, my family, a lot of people associated with MMA Matrix, with martial arts in India. The goal was to just make you know, promote Indian talent and give Indian fighters a platform to fight on, and you know, I'm hoping with the response of today this can be a quarterly thing and we can do one every 3 months. सर मैं सिर्फ मूवीज़ में फाइट करता हूँ सर मेरी औकात नहीं, मैं टिप्स नहीं दे पाऊँगा ये लोग, बिकॉज दे ऑन अनदर लेवल ऑल टुगेदर, फिजिकल फिटनेस एंड या and it takes guts to get into the ring knowing that you're going to get punched in the face here, so you know I can't tell them anything, I'm just in awe about it. देखो एक्चुअली जब मैं 15 साल का था, ये 13-12 साल की थी, उस वक्त ये 90 किलो की थी और मैं करीबन 35 किलो का था, तो बहुत स्किनी था, हालांकि बहुत तेज़ भागता था मैं, तो शी यूज्ड टू नेवर कैच मी, तो थका के मारता था।
I'm extremely happy and so excited, and as you said rightly, it's a dream come true. I'm very happy that you all are here today, and I'm just really looking forward to this event. It's going to be super exciting, super entertaining, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you know, our closest friends and families.
Thank you. Tiger. इतने बड़े लेवल पे कर पाना मतलब बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि आपने बहुत इतनी यंग एज में और सभी एक्टिंग में लगे रहते हैं, आपने इतने बड़े लेवल पे ये चीज़ ऑर्गेनाइज की है, ये कैसे संभव हो पाया?
देखो सर, मेरी वजह से तो मैं एक बहुत ही छोटा पार्ट हूँ, छोटा हिस्सा ले चुका हूँ मैं इसमें. I would give the credit to my mother and to a lot of people associated in bringing the event together. Of course, Aima and Mom, if I'm missing anybody out, you can just take, I'll probably say it on stage right now because there's a huge list which I have to go through. But, you know, जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, I've only been getting, you know, a lot of people used to keep coming up to me ever since my first film कि यार सर आप ये मार्शल आर्ट कहाँ से सीखे या आप डांस कहाँ से सीखे, तो you know I decided to sort of spread my knowledge and sort of help bring up the awareness of martial arts. From my end, that's my way of giving back to the people who've accepted me through, you know, my art.
Tiger, ये बात आपने खुद कहा कि मैं कोई टिप्स दे नहीं सकता, मेरी औकात थी, लेकिन what do you want to adapt from them? मतलब अगर देखा जाए,
I think just their discipline and जो hard work ये fighters करते in the ring, outside of the ring, अगर मैं उसका 50% भी ले सकता हूँ, तो I think that will really help me a lot in my life and my career.
Ma'am, would you like to say something? Can you come in between? It's a proud moment for you as well.
First of all, everyone, thank you for coming. I'm really appreciative of that. Just here to support my kids, Tiger and Krishna, as always. That's my favorite occupation. And hoping this event goes off very well. And so that we can do this on a regular basis. Every 3 months is the plan. So that we can boost MMA in our country and give a platform to our great Indian fighters. Thank you. Oh my goodness, that's a very long story, so we'll keep it for another time. But thank you so much for the support, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Visuals ले लो पहले.
Love Sinha, of course. Wow,
What are you doing?
Thank you.